Hi, this is an unboxing video and I'm unboxing January's edition of Roccabox. So this is what the packaging looks like. The classic white box with the gold embossed design on the front there. Really smart, really snazzy. So if you're new to Roccabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about and what it is. Roccabox is a monthly beauty subscription box, and inside you have around 5 items each month, and they can be a mix of skincare, makeup and also beauty tools as well. The cost of the box costs £13.95 and you can cancel anytime. Now I have been with Roccabox since the launch date, which was back in March, I think so. So yeah, so it's coming up to nearly a year now. And yeah, it's a really nice box. It has a good mix, and what I like about it is that it's curated by influencers. So sometimes it's not, but generally there is. So I'll explain more when I open this box. It always comes with a leaflet, and inside here it tells you everything about the products inside the box. It tells you whether it's a full size or a sample, and also the cost. And there's a little bit of information about who created this box, because we have an influencer this month, so I'll read that in a little while. But before I begin, I'll just show you what is inside the box. There. Oh! Listen. Can you hear that? That's the weather. Really bad weather. Wind, hail. There's a Velux window right behind the camera. So if you can hear loud whoosh noises, that's what it is. It's the weather outside. So the January's box is known as the Glow Getter box, and it has been created in collaboration with the Style Lane. With it being January, a time when we're all looking, not to mention feeling a little jaded, we had just one request from Penny Lane, the Style Lane's founder and editor, and that was to deliver our Roccabox lovelies nothing but glow restoring beauty heroes. And with heaps of experience dishing out definitive beauty advice, we trusted Penny to pull it off. So take a peek and see which products she's trusting to give you back your glow and restore your radiance in 2018. Let's dive right in. So the first item, I've got here. Ooh, what's this? It's a face mask, and this is a face ink by Nails Ink London, and this is a rose glow youth boosting peel off mask with vitamin B3. I love a peel off mask, they're so fun. They are such fun. And it's for all skin types, and it's for hand, face and body. Ooh, and it's a single use mask, and it's a 10ml. So that's what that looks like there. So I won't open it. Or can I? I'm not sure. No, I can't open it. It's got a seal thing there. When I use it, I will post up pictures, and I might do a little story on Instagram. So make sure you follow my Instagram to find out, and that's all listed in my description. Oh, I forgot to say, all the information that is in this box will be listed down in the description below, and links and everything like that. So click on the show more tab and that'll bring it up. So if you want to see all that information. So that's the first item. So it's a face ink nail, I want to say nails, but it's not. It's a face one, but it's by Nails Ink. The recommended retail price is £5 for this mask, and it says, desperate to transform dull, blah skin in a complexion that would give Rosie HW a run for her money, the single-use pod contains a radiance boosting peel-off mask, rich in vitamin B, which will tackle problem areas, hydrate, gently exfoliate, and naturally increase luminosity, giving skin that all-important glow. Nails Ink doing skincare products as well as they do nails is a big yes from us. So now from my first item, I think that's really great. I'm looking forward to trying it, as I do with masks. I do love a mask, so no, happy with that. So my next item, what is it? It's Opiate, and it's the Hangover or the Hungover coffee scrub, potent peppermint. Okay, so this is a 10-gram, yeah, little coffee scrub. So that's what that looks like there. So it's a little sachet. So the recommended retail price for this is £6.99. I would not say that is worth £6.99. I wouldn't have thought so. I'll find out, and I will link it down below. So next to all the items that I list, I will put in brackets whether what I got in the box was full size or whether it was a sample. So just in case you're curious to know, I'll do that. But I'm sure it's got to be a sample. It's a little sachet. We'll see, we'll see. So, need a morning pick-me-up that's going to boost your body, nourish your skin and revive your senses after a month you can barely recall? Of course you do. This aptly named body scrub will rid your body of dead skin cells and reveal baby soft skin, while its invigorating minty fresh scent will perk you up after a boozy few weeks. Think of it as a New Year's detox for your skin. You'll be feeling refreshed and zingy again before you can say 1 double espresso please. That's the amount that's in there. That ain't gonna cover all my body now, is it? Maybe my face or my arms or my chest, but no, that's definitely not a full body scrub, not for me anyway. I don't think for anyone, to be honest. Definitely. So no, I am looking forward to trying it. It's okay. It's a shame it wasn't bigger or we didn't have more of them, but no, it's okay. So it'd be interesting to see what it smells like and everything. So our next item is teeny tiny. What on earth is this? Calfskin Ruby Tint Lip Butter. It's like a little toy, like a doll's house toy thing. Look how small that is. So it's a lip butter, organic and non-toxic, and it's a 2ml. So this is definitely a sample, I would have thought. It's not tested on animals. So open it up. It is super cute, but my gosh, that is tiny. That has got to be a sample because it's like the sample pots you get in Debenhams, you know, if you want a foundation. And you get them for free. So this is the Ruby Tint. And that's what that looks like there. Oh my gosh, I was expecting it to be hard. It says lip butter. I was expecting it to be more like a lip balm, but I've just put my finger right in there. It is, no, it's nice, it's soft, very, very soft. So I've already got lipstick on, but I'll put some on the back of my hand. So it feels really lovely and moisturising. Yeah, I want to smell something, but I can't smell anything. It does feel nice and moisturising, and there's a definite tint, so you can see there. So it'll be a definite tint. So good to pop in your handbag for times of need when your lips need a little of a pick-me-up maybe, but that is so small. That is tiny, tiny, tiny. The recommended retail price for this is $9. So what's that? I don't know, £5–6 in our money? I'm not quite sure, I don't know, but no, that wouldn't cost £5–6, surely. Surely. No, there's got to be a sample. I will find out. But anyway, with soothing, nutrient-rich ingredients and a subtle red hue, this sumptuous balm will transform winter-worn lips and get them glowing again. It gets bonus points for being petroleum-free. No, look, obviously, I've just seen, look at the picture there. That is obviously the full size. We have got a teeny tiny sample. So, yeah. Roccabox. They just seem to have little samples so far. Yeah, it seems a nice product. It seems a nice product. So that's my third. My fourth is, ooh, what's this? It's a makeup. And this is a Make Me Shimmer Highlighter Pencil and Shimmer for Eyes, Lips or Face. And what is that the brand, Make Me Shimmer? How to use Make Me Shimmer. I'll have a look now. So that's what the outer packaging looks like. If you can see there. Let's try it here. Can hardly see it, to be honest. Can hardly see it at all. There, I'm not sure if you can see, right on the corner. I'm not sure how that would be on my face. I have got a full face of makeup on, but I'm not sure what that would be like on my face. But no, I was expecting it to be a bit more, stand out a little bit more, because the actual nib, it looks like it could be, you know, but no. Can you see there? There's hardly anything's coming off at all. But then I need to try it. I need to try it. So this is 100% cruelty free, which is amazing. So this looks like it could be the full size, and its recommended retail price is £6. So this multi-purpose highlighter pencil packed with densely pigmented shimmer delivers a heavy hit of sparkle and glow whenever you need it. Illuminate eyes and add sparkle to lips and shimmer up your cheekbones, layering to increase the glow factor. I'll have to try it to see it, but on first impressions, I can't see much on my hands at all. My last item, also another makeup product. And this is Lord & Berry. Now I like Lord & Berry, and this is the Cita Premiere eyeshadow, and it's in a gorgeous blue. Oh, that's the outer packaging. Oh, that colour is stunning. Really, really pretty. Oh, it's called Ultramarine. Oh! Oh heck, mine's broken. It's broken! Look. The pan has come off. It's stuck. Hold on. The eyeshadow's alright though, so I could put a bit of glue on there, but I have to be careful. So no, I can't tip it out to show you properly. But yeah, look. Yeah. Never mind. Oh, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous midnight blue. Let's put it on my hand there. Yeah, look at that. That is so pretty. I do really like it. I've only ever tried like lip creams and lip pencils from Lord & Berry. Never tried any of their other products. The recommended retail price is £12. It says, unbelievably silky soft, this eyeshadow is seriously sensory pleasure to apply. But what about the colour, you ask? Expect nothing less than a deeply pigmented, highly blendable, long-lasting colour wash that gives an impression of depths and dimensions. So in this box we've got 5 items and a heck of a lot of worms. It's a lot of worms in there, but it's to protect all the items because they are small this month. So we have got the face mask, which I'm really looking forward to trying. We've got this little body scrub, which I think is, I don't think it's a great product unless we could have had a few of them maybe. It's just super tiny, but I will give it a go. We've got this highlighter pen, which I was excited to see, but actually on application I know on my hands, so it is different to actually my eyes and everything. Not much came out. I could hardly see it, so I'll give a proper go with that before, you know, I come to any final decisions or judgments or whatever, but not impressed. Then you've got this eyeshadow that was broken, but I can put some glue on, it's fine, but the colour is stunning. The colour is really lovely. And then we've got this really super teeny tiny rubber. It's Ruby Tint Lip Butter. Again, it feels nice. It does feel nice. There was a slight tint on my skin. It feels quite moisturising, and yeah, it is super tiny. I think the thought behind it all is fine. It's great. You've got a highlighter, lip balm, eyeshadow, mask, body scrub, but the actual contents, it's not much there, and I'm not sure I would agree and say that this month is actually worth the £13.95 that we've paid for it this month. Unfortunately for me, it is a bit underwhelming. It is a bit underwhelming, but I will give it a go. I'm going to try the mask, and well, I'll try everything, obviously. I will try everything. I'll come back at the end of the month anyway, and you get to see my final thoughts after trying things on my sub-box favourites and overall winner, which I didn't do for December. I feel really bad about that, but I had loads going on and I completely forgot about it. But I will be on track this month. I will be on track. So no. So if you're interested to see my thoughts and of all the products that I've fallen in love with or don't like, and thoughts about the different boxes I've received in the month, well, make sure you look out for that, which is usually at the end of the month. So yeah, so I hope you like this review. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you think it's nay or yay? So I hope you like watching it, and if you did, please leave me a like, and if you'd like to see more, as always, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.